Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am kind of in a rush, so let's go ahead and get to talking about what we're talking about. So today I'm going to be trying out a brand new wash and go combo. We're going to pray that this comes out well, but we're going to use the Bread Beauty Supply hair gel along with the set curl defining mousse from miche, and pray about that thing. My hair has been washed, conditioned. I did a video on it. It will be the next video that you see. All the videos that I mentioned will be linked in the description box down below, just in case you haven't seen them. And I decided I'm going to use this 𝐵RIOGIO Superfoods avocado and kiwi. It's kind of like a spray leave-in. It don't really do much for my hair, so I'm really just trying to use it up, but we're going to use that today. My hair feels very, very soft. It is very, very clean. Like clean bill of health. Y'all see how liquidy that is? So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to the entire section. It don't even want to spray. I do like that it smells good, but okay. We got this going. And I don't know, are we gonna use a tool? I don't really like using the tool. My hair is pretty much, it has been detangled, believe it or not, so we ain't got time. No tools today. So as you can see, I feel like the curls are already pretty defined, but we're gonna go in with a pump and a half of the red gel, and we're just gonna apply this liberally. This gel is so lightweight, it just kind of feels like it ain't that much going on your hair, you know what I mean? And the first time I used it, I just used it straight on my hair, and it just came out so gorgeous. Like, I really do like this gel. It just on its own, like, look how it defines the coils. So I'm just going to use one. Okay, that pump don't count. 2 pumps of the miche mousse. Miche, did y'all hear that? The miche mousse. The miche mousse. Go in right on top, straight like that, and just work this through. Oh yeah, I feel like this is going to work so well together. Like, in my head, like, it's gonna be a beautiful matrimony. Oh my goodness, yes, like this is what I was envisioning when I decided that I wanted to try this combo out. Look at that. Okay, y'all, this might not take long at all. So boom. And my hair isn't soaking wet, which is kind of new for me. You know, typically, well, it's not new, it's just not my typical routine, because y'all know I prefer doing my wash and goes in the shower, at least on like soaking wet hair. So this, even though I just got out of the shower, this just feels a little different. All right, so we're gonna just do this section together on camera, and we'll just fast forward through the rest. But the reason, did I tell y'all why I wanted to try this combination out? Well, I'm gonna tell you now. One, like I've already said, I do like the definition that the red gel gives me on its own. But just as far as like longevity and hold, it had great hold, don't get me wrong, but I like that cast. I like the hold you can feel, and on its own it gives me a very much medium hold. So I just really think that this mousse, because the mousse has such crazy hold on its own for it to be a foam, I just think it'll really like elevate my wash and go with this gel. And I don't think it's gonna flake because one, this bread gel is a botanical gel, so I don't know, in my mind, if it's botanical, it's not gonna flake. I don't know, there's no logic or science behind that. That's just in Faren's world. But I just feel like it's gonna work, and I feel like it's gonna dry quick. We're gonna see. I feel like I'm too excited, and maybe I'll be disappointed. I should really make sure I'm wiping my hands in between applications though, because I feel like I mixed in the mousse with the gel on that one. Okay, make sure we get the roots. Make sure we get the roots. Y'all, the definition though, Okay, for real, I am going to show this. I am gonna just go ahead and apply this all on camera, so you know, enjoy the music. Go grab you a little snack, go use the potty, and come back and see how this looks fully applied.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here.
Okay, so the products are fully applied. It took me a little over 20 minutes, and I just have really high hopes. What I love about, like I said, like I just really like how this defines, and I just feel like this is just gonna be the cherry on top with it. So I'm gonna sit underneath my hooded dryer, and we are gonna pray that this thing gets dry in the next 20 minutes so I can be out of the door 15 minutes after that. So this is how we have it. I'll be back. You guys, it's actually been a few days. I did this wash and go on Tuesday. It is now Friday morning. I just stretched it, and let's just talk about these results. So you saw what it looked like fresh from underneath the dryer. You know, the coils were in place, they were shrunken, all that good stuff. I literally looked like that until this morning. And I want to start by saying I want to apologize to this 3-in-1 avocado and kiwi superfoods mega moisture leave-in spray from Briogeo, because y'all, I have used this. I am down to here, and I just always thought it really wasn't moisturizing my hair. But if you watch the video closely, if I kept it in, I'm not sure. I forgot to add a leave-in to this back section, and I could tell a difference. I could tell the moisture level difference in my hair because I used it on the rest of it, because I remembered that I didn't spray this part. And yeah, this is actually a spray leave-in I'm going to add to my arsenal and keep it, because it was such a difference in my hair, and it didn't change the hold of the products. My hair just felt incredibly moisturized, even and still with the hold. And like, not saying that this section feels bad or like terribly dried out, it's just that I can tell a difference. Like, this is just softer, this is just, it's a tad bit more dry. So I apologize. I really do like this leave-in spray. So that is one thing. Two, I love my hair. As you can see, it's got a lot of movement. It's got like the bounce to it. My coils are still very much defined. The frizz that you see is from me stretching it today. And like I said, this is day 3, and I take hot showers. I'm not even gonna lie. So for this to be day 3, I feel like my hair looks amazing. Like, this is like a peak look, and I feel like this style would last a couple more days easily, and I don't feel like the moisture is going anywhere. Like, the product combination is great, but I do have flakes, and I've used these products individually, so I know like the gel is not gonna flake on its own. The mousse, if my hair is wet, like, I've used it, it's one of my favorite products. And I've never really had a problem with flakes. I just think it's either the combination of the products, or I use too much mousse with not enough water. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. I really don't care, because that's how much I like these results, that I'll deal with a few flakes if my hair is gonna look this good on day 3. But my theory about it increasing the hold, or like the cast, I thought that the mousse would give me a little more of a cast, because y'all know I really like that hard feeling when it comes to my wash and goes, but it didn't. And I don't think it's because I used leave-in moisturizer. Like, it's still the same over here. It just didn't increase the cast. So you don't necessarily have to layer them. I feel like using the mousse on top did give me a little more hold, just a little bit. You know, I'm able to stretch my hair without getting all the volume that I got from just using the gel on its own, if that makes sense. Like, I could stretch this and fluff this and of course have that volume, but my hair naturally did that because it didn't have as much of a hold. I hope I'm explaining that correctly. I feel like I'm just talking in circles at this point, but To wrap this up, I do like the combination together. I am a fan of layering a gel with a foam or mousse on top, just because I like it. I like one product wash and goes, but I don't have an issue with using a mousse on top of that as well, especially if I'm gonna sit underneath a dryer, because I just feel like it helps with the drying time. And I just really like, my battery died in the middle of my last comment, but either way, I just really like how my hair looks usually when I layer a gel and a foam for wash and goes. But we are going to wrap this video up here. If you have tried this wash and go combo before, let me know. If you're interested in it, you know, go ahead and try it and let me know what type of results that you get. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I say that every video, and I mean it every time that I say it. So thanks guys, and I will see you in the next one.